Go home happy with the 2023 Honda CR-V. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, satellite radio. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.